At first, no one noticed it. No explosions. No missile trails. No headlines. But high above the battlefield, something changed. A silent watcher, orbiting far from danger, seeing everything, every Russian jet, every drone, every glide bomb, detected before it even strikes. This is not just another aircraft. This is a battlefield revolution, and it may be quietly dismantling Russia's entire war strategy. For months, Russia relied on a deadly advantage: low-altitude strike missions, glide bombs launched from beyond visual range, and drones. Overwhelming defenses. Their strategy was simple: stay below radar, strike fast, disappear. Ukraine's ground radars struggled. Limited range, terrain interference, reaction delays. By the time threats were detected, it was often too late. Russia wasn't winning the skies, but they were controlling the tempo. Then came Sweden's quiet move. The Saab 340 AEW&C. Not a fighter, not a bomber, but something far more powerful. A flying radar system. Equipped with the area radar, it scans hundreds of kilometers across airspace and ground. Unlike traditional AWACS, it doesn't rely on a bulky rotating dome. Instead, it uses a side-looking radar beam, allowing stealthier, more efficient surveillance. It doesn't fight, it sees. And in modern warfare, seeing first means winning. The impact was immediate and devastating. The Saab 340 doesn't just detect threats, it connects the battlefield. Fighter jets receive real-time targeting data. Air defenses react faster. Command centers see the full picture. This is network-centric warfare. Russian aircraft that once flew undetected are now tracked from takeoff. Glide bomb carriers, exposed before launch. Drone swarms, mapped and intercepted. The battlefield is no longer chaotic. It's controlled. Russia didn't stand still. Electronic warfare systems activated. Radar jamming intensified. Long-range missiles, like the R-37M, deployed. The goal: destroy the eye in the sky. But there's a problem. The Saab 340 doesn't need to get close. It operates far from the front lines, protected by distance and coordination. Even if jammed, its network adapts. Because this isn't just one aircraft, it's a system. This changes everything. With airborne early warning, Ukraine moves closer to NATO-level coordination. Future integration with F-16 Fighting Falcon fighters could amplify this advantage even further. This isn't just about one aircraft. It's about a shift in warfare philosophy, from reaction to anticipation, from isolated units to connected systems. And Russia is being forced to adapt fast. The skies over Ukraine are evolving, not with louder explosions, but with smarter systems. The Saab 340 AEW&C is just the beginning. In the future, wars may not be decided by who fires first, but by who sees everything. A silent aircraft, a hidden advantage, a shifting balance of power. The question is, how will this war evolve next, and who will control the skies tomorrow? If you want more deep military breakdowns, like, share and subscribe to Jet Vortex now.